they gonna text my phone now?
They probably will when they charge it. So we are in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen faucet, and this guy is the Camerist 7545 SRS, stain resistant, spot resistant stainless. Anyways, this was provided by the homeowner, came straight out of Ferguson, and it's installed. Nice faucet. We love Moen. Great customer service. There was no tag for the door. Normally there'd be a tag with the model number and everything, and their 1-800 you can call. Any trouble, you can call them directly, and they'll help you out with that. Or give us a call, and we'll have this model number on this video right here that we can refer back to, or take a picture of that yourself, and or maybe we'll put it in our folder. But anyways, it's all installed. We did give you some new shutoff valves underneath, hot and cold. They weren't in bad shape. The hot was bleeding through a little bit, plus they were 1/2-inch IP, and the faucet had 3/8 OD integrated supply lines, so there was a conflict. We had some adapters that we were going to use, but sometimes they don't fit correctly and they leak as well, so we opted just to change them. So hot and cold. The bottom one is the dishwasher. That's not ours. It's a multi-turn. Just leave that one alone. And this one up here is quarter turn on, quarter turn off, so those are real nice. So hot and cold. There's a cold back down in there. You can barely see it. Those are replaced. Faucets installed. We've checked it for leaks. Outside of that, this installation is done.